What's up, YouTube? Drew here. Today I'm playing Far Cry 4, and basically a tutorial on how to take out a bell tower. Now, in case you don't know how to do this, I'm going to show you. If you do know how to do this, I'm just going to do it. Alrighty. Well, it looks like I'm pretty close. And oh yeah, I'm on my elephant, I forgot. I thought I was walking, I'm like, wow, I walk fast. If you don't know how to get an elephant off, I made a tutorial on how to do that. If you don't have this game, I suggest you get it. It's really fun and really hard. I like games like that. It's taking a while to get here. Oh, check this out. That didn't work. Oh, I'm gonna lose my elephant. Oh, that didn't work. Don't go far. Here, I'm gonna get here. We don't want to see that. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to look around for ladders or anything like that. And then look at a way to go up. Any way really to go up. Find a way to go upward. See, right here's a ladder to go up. I haven't done this one yet, so right here. That was a waste. Oh, this one's gonna be an easy and fast one. Here comes a cargo truck. Sorry, pass. What's that? Right here. Don't know how to climb. It's A or X. A for Xbox. X for PlayStation. I don't really know for a PC. I don't use PCs. And that chick is really annoying. And then you see one of these. Go up to it, press X or square. And I'll do that, and then it'll show you what all you can see on your map, or locations. Road.